Bathoyi a nga nyikanga vuxokoxoko mayelana na ku tshika ka ntirho ka Cronje, kambe u pfumerile leswaku ku na nkimbo wa matirhelo exikarhi ka vona naswona a swi fambisani helo na vumunhu bya vona.
As I said, it's a tough job, it's a tough environment, and it shouldn't come as a surprise that leaders will come and go. And Advocate Cronje has decided to vacate at this point. And as I said, the EXCO of the NPA and myself have supported this. This is not a sign of any collapse or crisis in the NPA. It's, as I said, it's healthy when leaders take an organization to a certain point and leave, and then leave it for a new leader with a fresh, new energy to pick up from where we are.
Swirho swa palamende swi kona nsemaka ya leswaku a swi twali ku va Bathoyi a vula leswaku a ku na swiphiqo swa vurhangeri eka NPA.
Accepting that there's no crisis on these three issues, I know that the NPA is found wanting on issue of leadership stability, on the capacity and the kind of needed skills and operational efficiency.
But also, if one then accepts that the interpersonal issues was not at the heart of the resignation, then there of course must be structural issues that has led the head of the investigative directorate to reaching a conclusion that ultimately she must leave this office.
Bathoyi u tlhela a vula leswaku ku na ntirho wo tala swinene lowu va fanele ku endla ku katsa lowu nga ta va huma eka khomixini ya ku vekiwa ka vulawuri bya mfumo.
We are reaching the end of the Zondo Commission, and there's going to be a lot of work. As I said on Monday, an avalanche of work coming our way, and so we need to be ready to ensure that the ID is prepared to deal with those issues. And as I said, again, we are not going to be able to deal with everything that comes through from the Zondo Commission. We're going to have to really strategically prioritize cases for impact and sequence cases, because we are never going to have all of the resources to deal with all of the issues.
Hambiswiritano, NPA va vula leswaku swi nga endleka eka vulavisisi bya milandzu leyi hinkwayo ku nga vi na vanhu lava rhwexiwaka milandzu, kambe loko vo tsandzeka ku rhwexa vanhu vo karhi hi milandzu, vumbhoni bya ha ta yisiwa ekhoto ku teka xiboho.